guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, it is a very beautiful weather out there today. I am in my back garden just sitting by my swing. As you can see, they just swinging me around, but yeah, that aside. So on this video I wanted to bring to you my 28 to 32 weeks pregnancy update. I have just been to hospital today, and you know, for my regular checks, just to make sure that everything is fine with the baby, and so far so good. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. If you're interested to see or hear what happened and how much progress we've made, keep watching and let's get this video started. But before I proceed, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. Hit the subscribe button somewhere there, and keep up with all my updates. I post pretty much 2 or 3 times a week, depending on different topics that I've got. So yeah, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with everything that I post. But yeah, other than that, let's get started. So I went to the doctor's. It's actually really hot, guys. I'm gonna have to move away, sorry. So I went to the doctors and they checked me, that, you know, my normal regular check for every other couple of weeks, just to make sure that the baby is growing very well and that everything is fine. So yes, today everything was so hi guys, sorry, my battery died, so I had to go and charge it, and it was just too hot outside, so I decided to just go in my car. But I'm going out currently. I'm going to pick up my daughter. So what I was saying was the baby is growing really faster than they expected. As we speak, is already 4 pounds, which is over 1.5 kg or something like that. So yeah, with me being at 28 weeks now, it is going, I think that that's going to be a very big baby. So I'm starting to dread how I'm going to push him out. But the good news is that my placenta has moved. Yay, thank you God. So that means I'll have a normal delivery, not C-section. But yeah, that's it pretty much. I'm going to show you my belly shots so you can see how much I have gotten. I think baby is growing really fast, as you can see. But I'm gonna get up and I'll show you my belly shots so you can see how much we have gotten. So here is my belly shot for 29 weeks. I am just more tummy and less anything else. So this is what I look like. Baby is growing really fast, as you can see. My tummy is out there. Oh my God. That was it pretty much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video as always, and if you do, please don't forget to like it, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and yes, I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. I am exhausted. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. God bless you all. Bye.